Hey guys, let's continue with the second episode. The parts are printed and now we are gluing them together. First, we clean the parts with sandpaper, so that there are no filament residues left. I weigh each part individually so that I can decide later where I can save more weight. The fuselage parts have small holes. I put filament in them so that I can align the parts super easily. It's much easier and quicker this way. Now it's time for the glue. I use super glue with activator, but not too much, enough is enough.